In this video, I'll detail how to delete live speech voice on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you have downloaded some live speech voices, or you've changed to different live speech voices that is copying up your Apple Watch storage, then this video is going to show you how you can easily remove or delete downloaded live speech voice or voices on Apple Watch. So if I don't know this video, you found this layout informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do to delete or remove live speech voice on Apple Watch is click on the two-crown one to exit the watch face. Then while on the app menu, click on settings. Now I want to scroll down until you get to accessibility and click on that. Then use the two-crown to scroll fast to the bottom until you get to live speech. Then click on that. You may choose to turn on live speech or not. Now to delete or remove live speech voice or voices, just come down to voices and click on whichever voices you are using. Then here locate all your downloaded live speech voices. So if you've downloaded Karen, you should see Karen here. Then in this case, we have downloaded Evan. Then let's scroll down to get to Evan. So just keep scrolling until you get to your downloaded speech voice. Then click on it once. Then click on the voice again. Then you should see delete voice. To delete this voice, I just need to just click on delete voice. Then you should see the voice deleted. See that? Then you'll be prompted to re-download the voice ever if you want to use it again. Then you repeat this on every other voices you downloaded on your Apple Watch live speech. So that is how you can easily delete or remove live speech voice on Apple Watch. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.